Hello and welcome to Banc Binary's Ahead of the Week report, bringing you all the important trading and market events for the 9th to the 13th of June. Don't forget that all times stated are Greenwich Mean Time. So, starting with Monday the 9th of June, we commenced the week in Canada with the release of the latest housing starts for May. Canadian housing starts rebounded faster than economists forecast in April, which was likely explained as a result of the severe winter weather. Despite the bounce back, analysts expect sales and new construction to level off in 2014 and 2015 as mortgage rates rise and prices continue to tick slowly higher. If this sentiment is reflected in this month's figures, it could impact on the Canadian dollar, prompting Banc Binary analysts to look at call opportunities on the USD CAD. On Tuesday, we moved to the UK for the latest manufacturing production figures. UK factory output grew at its fastest pace in nearly 15 years during the first 3 months of 2014, with last month's figures once again exceeding forecasts. According to recent reports, manufacturers raised production in May to meet strong demand, which supports hopes that the economy is rebalancing and should make for a further positive reading this month. Traders should therefore look out for opportunities on the GB pairs and the FTSE 100 index. On to Wednesday, and it's over to New Zealand for the official cash rate. Last month, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand raised the OCR from 2.75% to 3% after stipulating that higher rates were needed. With the economy racing ahead on strong commodity prices, the New Zealand dollar fell to 3-month lows as investors pared back their expectations for the pace of interest rate increases. A further increase in the official cash rate of a quarter point may be announced at its June 12th meeting, so Banc Binary analysts will be looking for trading opportunities on the New Zealand dollar, USD and AUD NZD pairs. On Thursday, we cross over to Australia for unemployment rate data. Australia's unemployment rate remains steady at 5.8%, and although a jobless rate of 6.25% is forecast for the coming 2 years, jobs growth has recently outpaced expectations, so traders may wish to look out for trading opportunities on the Australian currency pairs. We also await US unemployment claims, which showed an increase in the previous week's figures. A further increase could apply downward pressure on the USD and open up put opportunities on the USD yen. And so to Friday. We stay in the US for the latest producer price index figures. The 0.6% increase in April's producer price index was the biggest since September 2012, reflecting broad-based gains as the US economy continues to improve. An upward trend may be starting to emerge, which, if reflected in May's figures, will prompt Banc Binary analysts to look at put opportunities on the Euro USD. That concludes our roundup of the key trading events for the 9th to the 13th of June 2014. Keep watching for all of next week's key trading events, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for instant access to all of Banc Binary's market news and analysis. Thanks for watching Ahead of the Week. Until next week, goodbye.